Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes shortcut key to delete entire page in MS Word. Click View, select multiple pages. I want to delete page number 3, click the cursor in page 3. Press Ctrl, G, keys. Type /page, press Enter key. Simply press the delete key. Third page is deleted. Now I want to delete page number. Click the cursor on page number 4. Press Ctrl, G keys. Type /page, press Enter key. Page number 4 is selected, then simply press the delete key. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.